Hello and welcome to History Through Question. Today's topic is concept of Tirthankara. So Tirthankara is an idea that is associated with the Jainism philosophy, that is associated with the Jainism doctrine. Okay, now let's see what is Tirthankara. So to understand what is Tirthankara, we first understand the concept of Tirtha. Okay, that is Tirtha. Tirtha. So Tirtha is a religious pilgrim place. Religious pilgrim place. So जो most तीर्थास in India either associated with the any religions are mostly based upon the banks of the river. Based upon the banks of the river. River के किनारे. Banks of the river. Okay, so तीर्था is a Sanskrit is derived of तीर. अगर हम तीर्था को bifurcate करें, that is the तीर्थ और तीर, which means that is the bank of river. So तीर्था क्या हुआ? तीर्था is a ford or a shallow coastal part of a water body that can be easily crossed, जिसको हम easily cross कर सकते हैं. Okay, so the idea of the तीर्था, क्या idea है इसका? तो idea of the तीर्था, idea of the tirtha is to cross the river, is to cross the river of human miseries. Is to cross the river of human miseries. Okay, so अच्छा, जो तीर्थंकरा है, तीर्थंकरा is considered to be the founder of तीर्था. We understand the idea of the तीर्था, but जो तीर्थंकरा है, he is considered to be the founder of the तीर्था. And जो तीर्थंकरा है, he achieves the enlightenment and then shows path to other. That is, he already achieves the enlightenment. He already achieves the enlightenments and ready to show the path to others. Okay, so a Tirthankara achieves moksha or the liberation at the end of his human cycle. Okay, वो मोक्षा कब अचीव करेंगे और the liberation at the end of his human life. We all know that there are 24 Tirthankaras in Jainism. In Jainism there are the 24 Tirthankaras. Okay, so the first Tirthankaras was the Rishabdev and the last 24 Tirthankaras was the Mahavir. Now Jaina means, now Tirthankaras जो word है, it was always associated with the word Jaina. अब Jaina का means क्या है? Jaina means in simple terms he is an follower of a Jinnah. Follower of a Jinnah. Now what is Jinnah? Which means victor, a person who has attained infinite knowledge, that is a victor who has attained and infinite knowledge and teaches others how to attain moksha, that is liberation from the cycle of rebirth. That is to teaches other how to attain the moksha, that is the liberation from the cycle of rebirth. So Tirthankara is an another word for the जिन्ना. जो जिन्ना जो हम अभी हम देख रहे थे, so उसका एक another word है तीर्थंकरा. Okay, or we can say that Tirthankara is another word for the जिन्ना and means fort builder. That is Tirthankara is another word for the Jinnah, which means fort builder. That is one who build forts that help people crosses the ocean of suffering. To crosses the ocean of suffering. So the Jaina conception of the time, जो जैना का कंसेप्शन है ऑफ द टाइम, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ एन एंडलेस सीक्वेंस ऑफ हाफ साइकिल्स, जो कि हैं उत्सर पानीस एंड दी अवसर पानीस. जो उत्सर पानीस है, इट वॉज द प्रोग्रेसिव साइकिल ऑफ और द प्रोग्रेसिव डिग्रीज ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, जो अवसर पाने से इट वॉज द रिग्रेसिव डिग्रीज ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. सो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द graph. Okay, that is the happiness. Utsar panis, avsar panis. Okay, so it's a cycle of, that is the progressive degrees of happiness, and the avsar panis is the regressive cycle of happiness. It is the progressive and the avsar panis is the regressive. So and it lasts vast span of time, due to which it was further subdivided into 6 stages. ये जो एक बर्ड साइकिल है, it was divided into 6 stages, और उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, that is colors. Okay, so there are supposed to be 24 तीर्थंकरास in each life cycle of time. जो भी एक each half life cycle है, उसमें कितने तीर्थंकरास होंगे? There are the 24 तीर्थंकरास. जो हमारी current present cycle चल रही है, that is the current half cycle which is an अवसर पेनिस, और उसका क्या है, that is the period of regressive happiness, जिसमें फर्स्ट तीर्थंकर जो थे that is the ऋषभदेव, and the 24th that is the Mahavir. Okay, so there are other important तीर्थंकरास as well, but जो सबकी हिस्ट्री है it was not easy to ascertain. कुछ important one है, that is the 22nd is the Nemnath, and it was belong to the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. 23rd is the Parshvanath who lived in the Banaras, and the Vardhaman, that is the Mahavira, was the 24th तीर्थंकरास, and he came to be known as the great hero. So अच्छा, एक important चीज़ है, that is all the jinnas, that is all the 24 तीर्थंकरास are supposed to have taught the same doctrine. That is all the 24 तीर्थंकरास are supposed to taught the same doctrine. Okay, so they used to taught the same doctrine. Now तो जिन्ना है, that is Jinnah, that is a Tirthankara, is considered as a human being and that is endowed with the superhuman insight. जो उनके पास है, जो तीर्थंकरा है, he is endowed with the superhuman insight. He have infinite knowledge. According to the Jaina tradition, he was also born with a certain unusual characteristics, okay, that mark him out for his future destiny. Okay, he is born with some sort of unusual characteristic. Now, for instance, he had an adamantine body, one that is extremely hard and the brilliant, and he compared it with the, that is a body like diamond, that is extremely hard and the brilliant. He possesses the Avadhi Janana, that is the superhuman cognition or the psychic power through which he can perceive distinct objects to foresee the future events. That is, he also possesses the Avadhi Janana, that is the superhuman cognition or the psychic power. Okay, now let's see one question that is related to the Tirthankaras. So consider the following statement regarding the Tirthankaras. So first statement says that the Tirthankaras is about to achieve the enlightenment. Second statement says that Tirthankaras achieve moksha or the liberation at the end of his human life. So you have to choose the correct answer. In order to attempt this question, please pause your video screen and write your answer in the comment section below. So here the correct answer is B, that is the 2 only. The first statement says that the Tirthankara is about to achieve the enlightenment. So it is wrong because it was already achieved the enlightenment. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this.